Dear students, welcome to the second lecture of the chapter trigonometry. Now, Brahmanath, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the trigonometric ratios. Before that, I want to recap the previous knowledge. I want to discuss the previous knowledge. In last class, we discussed conversion of degree system to radian system and some questions, and also the radian system to the degree system. Now let's see some previous knowledge. Three pi by 4 radian is equal to dash degree. Okay, we know pi radian is equal to what? We know pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degree. So x radian is equal to what? 180 by pi into x degree. This is the concept. So this question is here. Solution: if the system is in radian system and we have to convert into degree system, then multiply by 180 by pi. Solution: 3 pi by 4 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi into x. X means what? 3 pi by 4. So this degree, pi cancel here, pi cancel here, and this is equal to 180 by 4 means what? 45 into 3, this amount of degree, and this is what? 135 degree. Or we can say easily, put pi radian equal to 180 degree, or in a single line, put pi radian equal to 180, then calculate. Okay, now one more question. The question is, write in sexagesimal system of 3 by 4 radian, or the question may be, convert 3 pi by 4 radian into degree form, into degree system. Okay, so solution is what? Solution: 3 by 4 radian. If radian is converted into degree system, then what we have to do? That is, radian system to degree is equal to what? What is? Suppose x radian. X radian is equal to what? 180 by pi into x. This is degree. This is the concept. So what happens here? That is 180 by pi. This is equal to what? 180 by pi into 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This is degree. Or use pi is equal to approximately 22 by 7. 22 by 7, that is approximately 180 by 22 by 7 into 3 by 4. Okay, this amount is in degree. Then what happens in calculating this? Then calculating this, we get here. Then calculating the above figure, we get this is equal to what? Approximately, this is equal to approximately what? 135 into 7 by 22 degree, which is approximately what? 42.96 degree. Now this is equal to what? Now this is equal to 0.96 degree is equal to what? 0.96 into 60. This amount is in minute. Okay, this is in minute. Now calculating this, we get here, that is 57, approximately 57.06 minutes. Okay, that is 57 minute plus what? 06 into 60 second, and again calculating this, what happens? This is equal to 57 degree a minute plus this is equal to what? Around 36 second. Calculating this is around 36 second. So here this is equal to what? 0.96 degree is equal to this. Now therefore 3 by 4 radian is equal to what? That is 42 degree and 57 minutes, and this is 36 second. This is the answer of the degree system of the 3 by 4 radian. Approximately, this value is approximately, not exact equal, very small change. Okay, this is 42 degree 57 minute 36 second. Okay, now let's discuss today's topic, that is trigonometric ratio. What is trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions? Okay, trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. There are 6 types of trigonometric functions, namely sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. These are called trigonometric ratios also because each and every trigonometric functions can be expressed as a ratio of two sides of the right angle triangle. That's why these are also called trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let's discuss about trigonometric ratios. Now trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios, there are 6 trigonometric functions. There are 6 trigonometric functions, namely sine, S-I-N-E, sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant, and their short forms are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec respectively. Okay, There are 6 type of trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Okay, and their short forms are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec, respectively. These are called trigonometry. These above are also known as, or also called trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios, because each can be expressed as ratios of two sides of a right angled triangle. Okay, a right angled triangle. These are called trigonometric ratios because each and every can be expressed as sum of two sides of a right angle triangle. Now, the formula based on trigonometric formula based on angle and sides of a right angle triangle. Trigonometric formulae based on angle and sides. Trigonometric formulae based on angles and sides. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Suppose A, and this is B, and this is C. Let this is theta. This is theta, and the opposite of the angle theta is known as perpendicular. This is perpendicular, and denoted by here P. For perpendicular denoted by P, and the sides linked with the angle is called what? Base, and it is denoted by B. The sides opposite to right angle, this is 90 degree. The sides opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse denoted by H. From the figure, sin theta is equal to, sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to P by H. Sin theta is equal to P by H. Cos theta is equal to B by H. Tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to P by B, and cot theta is equal to what? B by P. Sec theta is equal to that is H by B, and cosec theta is equal to H by P. Okay, cosec theta is equal to H by P. Now, sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, and tan theta equal to B by P, cot theta equal to, tan theta equal to P by B, cot theta equal to B by P, sec theta equal to H by B, and cosec theta is what? Cosec theta is equal to H by P. Now, one question related to this formula. This is cot theta and this is sec theta, and this is not visible, so right here cosec theta is equal to what? Cosec theta is equal to h by p. Cosec theta is equal to h by p. Now one question based on this formula. If this is a right angle triangle and this is the vertex is A and this is B and this is C, let the length of the sides AB is equal to 3 units and the side BC is equal to 4 units and this is 5 units. From question is, from the side figure find sin A cos A sec C. From the figure find sin A, cos A and sec C. Solution is sin A, this is sin A, suppose for sin A, for angle A, what is P? P is equal to 4, B is equal to 3 and H is equal to 5. So sin A is equal to formula sin A means sin theta, this is sin A is equal to P by H. This is equal to 4 by 5 and cos A is equal to what? B by H. B means what here? 3 by 5. And for angle C, this is for angle C, what is P? P is equal to 3, B is equal to 4 and H is equal to 5. So what is sec C? What is the formula for sec theta? What is for formula for sec theta? Sec theta is equal to H by B. Sec theta is equal to H by B. So H means what? 5 by 4. This is answer. Okay. And here cos A is equal to sin A is equal to 4 by 5 and cos A is equal to what? Cos A is equal to, that is cos A is equal to B by H, that is 3 by 5. Sin A is equal to P by H. For angle A, P is equal to 4, B equal to 3, H is equal to 5. So sin A equal to P by H, that is 4 by 5. Cos A equal to B by H, that is 3 by 5. For angle C, P is equal to what? Opposite side, that is 3. B is equal to linked side, that is 4. And H is equal to 5. So sec is equal to sec theta is equal to sec C is equal to what? This is sec C. Sec C is equal to H by B. H means 5, B means 4. Okay. Now that is trigonometric formulae for based on angles and sides are over. Now next formula, a reciprocal formula. Okay, a reciprocal formula. Now sin theta is equal to number one formula, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is, the main is sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. But sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. This is the main formula. Now tan theta is equal to what? cos theta, for cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. The main formula is what? Cos theta into sec theta, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now similarly tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta or sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, that is cos theta by sin theta. That is, we can say tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Okay. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or we can say sin theta by cos theta, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or we can say cos theta by sin theta, or we can say tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. This is a reciprocal formula. Now trigonometric identities. What do you mean by actually identities? What is identities? Identity means it is an expression which satisfies for all values. What is equation? Equation means it satisfies for particular values of the variable. In case of identities, it is satisfied by all the values of the variables. Suppose, for example, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 for all theta. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 for all theta. This is identities. What is equation? Suppose we given sin theta is equal to 1. It is an equation. Okay, for which angle sin theta will be 1. It is particular cases, but sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It is valid for each and every values of theta. So, what is the difference between identities and equation? Identities is valid for all values, whereas equation valid for some particular values. Okay, of the variables. So now let's discuss about trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Number 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this we can find sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Now second formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is main formula from this we can find, that is sec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and from this tan square theta is equal to what? Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Now cos square theta minus cot square theta. Third one is cos square theta minus cot square theta. Cos square theta cos square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is main formula. From this cos square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to what? Cot square theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. Cos square theta minus 1. Cot square theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Write sin theta in terms of other trigonometric ratio, ratios, or express sin theta in terms of other trigonometric ratios. Solution: first, sin theta in terms of cos theta. First, sin theta in terms of cos theta. Okay, we know sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta, plus or minus. The sign depends on the quadrants. Okay. Now, first over second, sin theta in terms of tan theta. Sin theta in terms of tan theta. Here, sin theta is equal to what? We can write sin theta divided by what? Sin theta divided by what is sin theta in terms of what? Tan theta. So what will sin theta? How tan theta is obtained? So divide by cos theta and multiplied by cos theta. So this is equal to what? Tan theta into cos theta. Okay. So cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. So cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to, that is tan theta into 1 by sec theta. What is sec theta? We know sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So sec theta is equal to what? Plus or minus 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So tan theta divided by plus or minus root over 1 plus tan square theta. Now sin theta in terms of cot theta over tan theta over. Now sin theta, third bit, sin theta in terms of cot theta. Sin theta in terms of cot theta. Sin theta, third bit, sin theta in terms of cot theta. Sin theta in terms of cot theta. Now sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. We know cosec theta, cos square theta is equal to what? We know cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cosec theta is equal to what? Cosec theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So this is equal to 1 by root over what? Plus or minus 1 plus cot square theta. The sign is according to the sign depends on the angle theta, either plus sign or minus sign. The sign is what? May be positive, may be negative according to theta. This is sin theta in terms of cot theta. Now sin theta in terms of sec theta. Now sin theta, this is fourth one, in terms of sin theta in terms of what? Sec theta. Sin theta in terms of sec theta. So sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos square theta. So that is equal to plus or minus 1 minus 1 by sec square theta. So that is equal to what? Sec square theta plus or minus sec square theta minus 1 by sec square theta. So this is equal to sec square theta minus 1 root over by sec theta. This is plus or minus. Okay, this is answer. Now sin theta in terms of cosec theta. Now sin theta in terms of cosec theta. Now sin theta in terms of, this is fifth one, in terms of cosec theta. We know sin theta is equal to what? We know sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Okay. These are the conversion of the trigonometric functions from one to another. Okay. Homework for you based on previous question, that is homework. Express or conversion. Express cos theta, comma tan theta, comma cot theta, comma sec theta, and cosec theta in other trigonometric ratios or functions. This is homework for you. Now some problems based on identities, trigonometric identities. Now let us prove that tan theta minus cot theta divided by tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 sin square theta minus 1. Left hand side, tan theta minus cot theta divided by tan theta plus cot theta. The answer is what? The right hand side is in terms of sin, so convert the tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin and cos. So sin theta divided by cos theta, tan theta is equal to here, and this is what? Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta whole divided by tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta means what? Cos theta by sin theta. Now taking LCM, that is here LCM is what? Sin theta into cos theta. So this is sin square theta minus cos square theta whole divided by LCM is what? Sin theta into cos theta. LCM means what? Loss of jodi. So what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin this cancel, and sin square theta cos square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta minus cos square theta by what? 1. This is 1. So this is equal to what? This is equal to sin square theta and cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. So this is equal to sin square theta minus 1 plus sin square theta. So this is equal to 2 sin square theta minus 1. This is equal to right hand side. Okay. So sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to, that is sin square theta minus 1 minus sin square theta. This is equal to what? Sin square theta minus 1 plus sin square theta. 2 sin square theta minus 1. Now prove that cot 4 theta plus cot square theta is equal to cosec 4 theta minus cosec square theta. So left hand side cot 4 theta plus cot square theta. The answer is right hand side is cosec in terms of cosecs. So take cot square theta common here. This is equal to cot square theta plus 1. 1 plus cot square theta means sec square theta. This is cot square theta into this is cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta means what? Cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. That is, this is cot form, so write in terms of cosec. So this is cosec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta into cosec square theta. So cosec square into cosec square, cosec 4 theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus cosec square theta. This is RHS. This is question number 2. Now question number 3. Now the question is prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. This is question. So the solution answer is left hand side tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now tan theta plus sec theta, we know one is what? In terms of sec and tan, that is sec for 1. This is sec square theta minus tan square theta. We know sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So 1 बदल sec square theta minus tan square theta रखो. Then tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 as it. So this is a square minus b square form. So tan theta plus sec theta and this is minus sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So take common here sec theta plus tan theta. Take common and here that is 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta divided by what? Divided by this is divided by here tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, so this is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So this term goes cancel, this term and this term goes cancel. So the numerator, what is here? Sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So LCM cos theta 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to right hand side, which is equal to right hand side. Now another question. This is the question. Prove that square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So left hand side is what? Left hand side square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Now rationalize this. Square root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. So this is equal to square root of 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by 1 minus sin square theta. So this is equal to 1 minus sin square theta whole square means what? 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by what? Cos square theta. Cos square theta root over. Now this is equal to 1 minus sin theta whole square root over means what? 1 minus sin theta. Cos square theta root over means what? Cos theta. So 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. 1 by sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by sin theta is equal to sec theta, and this is sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta, which is equal to RHS. Now if a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to c, then prove that a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. This is one formula also. Okay, this is a formula. So solution or given a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c. Now we have to prove this. Let a cos theta, this is equation 1, a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to, suppose k. Equation 2, squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. So what happens here? That is a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square plus a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square is equal to c square plus k square. Okay, now here a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus what? 2a sin theta into b cos theta. Again squaring this is equal to what? This is equal to plus a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus b square sin square theta minus what? Minus 2a cos theta into b sin theta is equal to what? C square plus k square. So this is cancel. Now a square sin square theta, right? This nearer to this, so a square common, a square sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now for this take common b square, this is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to what? C square plus k square, c square plus c. So this is equal to a square plus b square is equal to what? C square plus k square. That implies k square is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. Therefore k is equal to what? Plus or minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. Therefore a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to plus or minus what? A cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to what? Plus or minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. Okay, this is a formula also. Now write notes. If sec theta, if cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2 implies cos m theta plus sec n theta is equal to 2. Okay, n belongs to natural number. Similarly, if sec theta sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2 implies sin m theta cosec n theta is also 2. Mn belongs to n. See, if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 implies tan m theta plus cot n theta is equal to 2, where mn belongs to, where m comma n belongs to n. Now proof of first proof. Proof for 1. Proof of A. Proof of A. Give, let cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Okay, so cos theta plus sec means 1 by cos theta is equal to 2. That implies cos square theta plus 1 divided by cos theta is equal to 2. Okay, then cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 cos theta. So that implies cos square theta minus 2 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equal to what? Cos square theta minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. कौन पाई ना cos a square minus 2ab into b square लिखी परिया मैंने नहीं एटा को लिखी परिवा a square plus minus 2ab plus b square a minus b whole square. That implies what? That implies cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to 1. If cos theta is equal to 1, sec theta is also 1. So sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So that implies sec theta is equal to 1 by 1. So now cos m theta plus sec n theta. So this is equal to 1 to the power m plus 1 to the power n. So 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 2. Similarly, note B, note C can be proved. Okay. Given solution, given tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m. Tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m. And this is equation 1. And tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n. This is equation 2. Now left hand side m square minus n square. So this is equal to m tan theta plus sin theta whole square, and this is what, minus tan theta minus sin theta whole square. We know the formula is what, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to what, 4ab. So this is a plus b whole square plus minus a minus b whole square is equal to what, 4 into a. A means tan theta, b means what, sin theta. This is left hand side. Now right hand side, RHS. RHS what, 4 root over mn. So 4 root over mn means what, 4 root over mn, that is 4, m is what, tan theta plus sin theta into what, tan theta minus sin theta. Okay, so this is equal to 4 into root over tan square theta minus what, sin square theta. Tan square theta minus sin square theta. So this is 4 root over sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now this is equal to 4 into root over sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta by cos square theta. So 4 into, take sin square theta common, sin square theta common, and this is 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta. So this is 4 into sin square theta into sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So this is 4 into sin 4 theta whole square means what, sin square theta cos square theta root over means what, cos theta. So this is equal to 4 into sin theta by cos theta into 1 by cos theta. So this is equal to what, 4 tan theta into sec theta. Now LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Prove that sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus sec theta plus sec theta whole square, cos theta plus sec theta whole square equal to tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 7. So left hand side, sin theta plus cosec theta whole square cos theta plus sec theta whole square. Simply just expand this. Apply a plus b whole square formula, sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosec theta. Okay. Now apply this a plus b formula, cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 into cos theta into sec theta. Sin into cosec theta, this is 1. Sec cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So, and sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Write this net to this. And here cosec square theta. The answer is in terms of what? Tan and cot. So cosec square theta means what? 1 plus cot square theta. And this is 2 into 1. Now sec square theta in terms of tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta and 2 into what? 1. So this is equal to what? 1 plus 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 1 plus what 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square theta plus 2. So this is what tan square theta plus cot square theta, tan square theta plus cot square theta. This is 1 1 2 2 4 5 and this is 7 RHS. This is question number 6. And now another question. Now prove that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square. So left hand side, sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta. We can write sin square theta whole cube, and this is what cos square theta whole cube likhi pariba. So what is formula for a cube? A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is what, for which formula? That is a plus b whole square minus 3ab into a plus b, or another formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Dita formula जेकोसी गोटे अप्लाई कले हम. तो सपोज फर्स्ट वन इज a square a cube plus b cube means a plus b. So a means sin square theta, b means what, cos square theta. A plus b whole cube minus 3 into ab sin square theta into cos square theta into what, a plus b. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is equal to 1, and this is minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta, again sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is right hand side. Okay, now another question. Now question is prove that sin q theta plus cos q theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. So left hand side sin q theta plus cos q theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Now formula is what, aq plus bq is equal to a plus b into what, a square minus ab plus b square. यही formula apply करो. sin theta plus cos theta cancel हो जाइबो. So sin theta plus cos theta into what, a square means sin square theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus b square means what, cos square theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, so this part goes cancel. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what, 1 minus what, sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now another question. Now this is prove that sec theta by 1 plus cos sec theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta. Okay, this is the question. Now this is left hand side is equal to what, sec theta. We can write sec theta plus 1 also, and multiply this is equal to what, sec theta into sec theta minus 1 divided by what, sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1. Because we know sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square. That's why we multiplied and divide by sec theta minus 1. So this is sec theta and this is sec theta. That is what? Here sec theta into sec theta minus 1 divided by here sec square theta minus 1. Okay, so here sec theta means 1 by cos theta, and this is 1 by cos theta, and this is 1 by cos theta minus 1 whole divided by sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Okay, so here that is that is LCM is what? 1 by cos theta and 1 minus cos theta by cos theta here, and divide by what? Sin square theta by cos square theta. So cos square, that is equal to what? Cos theta, cos theta. This is cos square theta, so this goes cancel. Remaining here 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta, which is equal to RHS. Which is equal to, this is equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta, which is equal to RHS. Okay. These are the some problems related to the trigonometric ratio. In next class we will do other concept and problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.